May I request Shri Prabhat Malik ji, Director Industry, Government of Chhattisgarh, to kindly welcome Ms. Ritu Sen ji, Investment Commissioner, Government of Chhattisgarh. May I request Shri Vishwesh Kumar ji, MD CSI DC, Government of Chhattisgarh, to welcome Shri Bajrang Goel ji, Chairman CII CG. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries. May I now request to set the tone and make us understand why we have gathered here, and to welcome you all, I would request Ms. Ritu Sen, IAS Ma'am, Investment Commissioner, Government of Chhattisgarh, to kindly welcome the gathering and set the context.
Namaskar, a very good morning to all of you. Honorable Shri Vishnu Dev Sai ji, Honorable Chief Minister Chhattisgarh State, Shri Lakhandal Devangan ji, Honorable Minister Commerce and Industry, Government of Chhattisgarh, Shri Rajiv Agrawal ji, Honorable Chairman Chhattisgarh State Industrial Development Corporation, Government of Chhattisgarh, Shri Subodh Singh, Principal Secretary to Honorable CM, Government of Chhattisgarh, Shri M. Gautam Reddy ji, Chairman CII Telangana, Shri Bajrang Goel, Chairman CII Government of Chhattisgarh, State of Chhattisgarh. यहाँ पर उपस्थित छत्तीसगढ़ और तेलंगाना के जाने माने इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, IT professionals, media ke साथी. It's a privilege to welcome you all here in Chhattisgarh Investor Connect program today. First of all, I extend a heartfelt welcome to all of you for being here, because your presence is valuable to us. Not because you are here to know about Chhattisgarh, but you are the people who are considering Chhattisgarh as your next investment destination. And it is being said that, business follows opportunities. And we all are here today to represent अगर आपको बिजनेस करना है तो what kind of state it is, what it offers, what it holds, we are going to unpack that for you today. About industrial development policy, about the prospect state has, my colleague Rajat Kumar, Secretary Industries, will unpack that package for you. But here I am to basically take you through the journey of the state and the state's offerings. So Chhattisgarh is the 9th largest state in India in terms of area, with 44% of forest cover and with less than 80 AQI, and seismically and natural disaster proof state. When I say this, I'm saying it deliberately with an intent that this is the state where your investments will be disaster proof. So neither we are in a flood zone, nor in a cyclone zone, nor in a seismic zone. So when you come to Chhattisgarh, your investments and your establishments, institutions would be disaster proof. Chhattisgarh is home to 3.6 crore people, which means this is the state where the industry has the manpower. And why this is so? Because 60% of the population of the state is in the working age group. And we also are a home to 30.62% of tribal population with 70.02% of literacy rate. In terms of economic prospect, the state has 11.6% growth, which is, many of you would know that, which is more than many states in India and also more than the national growth. With 6.3 lakh crore of GSDP and with 1.7% contribution to the national GDP, we have 1.7 lakh rupees per capita income, and we have 46% of share industrial contribution to our GSDP, which is again higher than the national average. Now, knowing the state economically, state is connected with 20 Indian cities with 90 to 120 minutes flights. We are bordering 7 states. So coming to Chhattisgarh means you have access to 510 million people. We have 4 airports, 6 airstrips, and 21 flights per week from Raipur to major cities in India. And sir, today morning we were discussing with one of the entrepreneurs in Hyderabad, and we were discussing this, that from one part of Hyderabad to another part of Hyderabad, जितनी देर में आप यहाँ से फ्यूचर सिटी पहुँचेंगे उतनी देर में आप रायपुर भी पहुँच जाएंगे. तो आप रायपुर में आपका स्वागत है. कनेक्टिविटी के हिसाब से यू आर वेल कनेक्टेड. 3620 किलोमीटर का नेशनल हाईवे और 2636 किलोमीटर का रेल नेटवर्क है, विच मीन्स इफ एनीथिंग इज पासिंग फ्रॉम मुंबई टू कोलकाता, यू हैव टू पास थ्रू छत्तीसगढ़. हैदराबाद में बैठकर बहुत सारे लोग सोचते हैं छत्तीसगढ़ बहुत दूर है, बहुत पिछड़ा है, वहां पर ये है, वहां पर वो है, पर जब आप ये स्लाइड देखेंगे तो आपको लगेगा छत्तीसगढ़ आपसे उतना दूर नहीं है. हैदराबाद से रायपुर बहुत पास में है और बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्टेड है. इसके अलावा जो भी छत्तीसगढ़ में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होगी, छत्तीसगढ़ में जो भी पैदा होएगा, जो भी बनेगा सामान, उसको एक दिन के ट्रकिंग रेडियस पर आप हिंदुस्तान में किसी भी शहर में भेज सकते हैं. और 10 मेजर ऑटो एंड इंजीनियरिंग हब्स वो छत्तीसगढ़ से एक दिन के ट्रकिंग रेडियस पर है. कनेक्टिविटी के बाद स्टेट ऑफर क्या करता है? आर्थिक रूप पर क्या छत्तीसगढ़ पिछड़ा है? इज इट स्टिल एन अंडर डेवलप्ड स्टेट? सो आई वोंट से एनीथिंग, दिस डेटा वुड टेल यू द स्टोरी. छत्तीसगढ़ वाज फॉर्म्ड इन 2000 and after that our GSDP has grown 25 times. Our per capita income has grown 17 times. And if you see Chhattisgarh state in terms of economic growth, we are among top 10 with more than national growth rate. We have witnessed 5 times growth in number of industries registered per year. We are also a top performer in ease of doing business issued by DPIIT. If you see the sectoral contribution, manufacturing sector has demonstrated 20 times growth in 25 years. And I think this is something which the industry in Telangana or industrial association in Telangana should look for, that when you are congested here, when you want to stretch, you want to expand, Chhattisgarh becomes your natural choice, both because of geographical proximity and because of what we have for you in the state. The next concern for the industry is that power, labor, land. Power, Chhattisgarh has power surplus status. We produce the highest, we have the highest installed power capacity with 26,424 megawatts. We have surplus electricity which we give to other states. We have power tariff which are lower than national average, and we have negligible frequency of power cuts. And with this, Chhattisgarh positions itself not only for industries which require power as their input, but also for industries which take minerals as their base. Because we are the state which is endowed with 28 kinds of minerals, and to name few of them, because Hyderabad is hub of IT and semicons and all kind of biotechnology and pharma, research, innovation. So this is the thing which I wanted to showcase here, that 100% of India's tin, 30 million ton of tantalum and niobium, 166 tons of graphite, 3,000 tons of lithium block, and 1.03 million tons of gallium and 90 million tons of silicon. This is the raw material for IT and semicon industry, and we have them in the state. The manufacturing and engineering sector, we have 25% of India's iron and steel in Chhattisgarh. So industries requiring steel as their input have steel next door. 11% of dolomite, 4% of bauxite, 0.6% of graphite, and this is the figure for share of India's mineral basket. 15% share of aluminum and 21% of coal. So with metal engineering, mining industry, Chhattisgarh is the natural, base for investments. Now, in terms of industrial infrastructure, the state has 90 plus industrial parks and a good hub of MSME technology centers and MSME, plug and play infrastructure in all the parks, electronics and ITES, and new mixed use industrial areas are instantly available in various parts of the state. Sector specific parks, particularly industries relevant here, Meta Park Raipur, engineering, EMC and food parks. Open for allotment are plastic park, textile park, ready-made garments park, pharma park and food parks in 10 districts across the state. We also have upcoming parks for EMC, gems and jewelry, furniture cluster and space manufacturing cluster readily available with us. In the end, if you have everything, power, infrastructure, land, people, you need talent, because whenever we talk to people or industrialists or IT sector companies, where is the talent? Because the talent is generally seen that it is clustered in few of the cities, but let us also share this with you that Naya Raipur is probably one of the few cities in India which have all the premium institutions, academic institutions in one city. We have IIM, IIT, NIT, National Law University, AIMS, all in one city, and also National Institute of Fashion Technology recently. 50,000 professionals graduate every year, and the two things which are associated with the workforce, one is cost of hiring and second is duration. So Raipur offers a unique advantage that it not only makes competitive rates workforce available, both skilled and unskilled, but the attrition rates have also been very low, and I'm sure my colleagues from Chhattisgarh today will showcase their story where they'll say that how being in Raipur they have flourished more, grown more than being in these metros. So with this, I once again thank you all for being here today. आप सब लोगों ने यहाँ अपनी उपस्थिति से न केवल छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य में अपना भरोसा जगाया है, बल्कि आपने एक नए चैप्टर को खोला है अपने इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट की जर्नी में, जहां छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य आपका एक सहभागी बनना चाहता है, एक पार्टनर बनना चाहता है और एक ट्रस्टेड पार्टनर बनना चाहता है, क्योंकि जब आप हमारी इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट पॉलिसी के इंसेंटिव्स देखेंगे उसके बाद आई एम श्योर सेक्रेटरी रजत कुमार who will be presenting this will have lot to tell you. Thank you so much for being here and Jai Chhattisgarh.
Thank you so much, ma'am. जी, जैसे कि मैम ने कहा, business runs on 3 questions, very simple: why, what, how. Why, what का आंसर मैम ने दे दिया है, अब बारी है how. So इसका जवाब देने के लिए स्टेज पे हम आमंत्रित करना चाहेंगे. I would request for the presentation on investment opportunities in Chhattisgarh, requesting Shri Rajat Kumar Sir, IAS, Secretary, Department of Commerce and Industry, Government of Chhattisgarh, to kindly join us on the stage. Please put your hands together as we welcome him.
गुड मॉर्निंग हैदराबाद। मंच पे उपस्थित माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, मंचासीन अतिथिगण, यहाँ पर आए हुए समस्त हमारे अतिथि जिन्होंने हमारे रिक्वेस्ट पे, ऑन आवर रिक्वेस्ट यू हैव कम हियर, सो आई विल टेक यू थ्रू with the background that my colleague had put in front of you. I'll take you through what do we want to tell you and how do we want to show you the investment opportunities that lie in Chhattisgarh. So this slide, I love to show this slide because a lot of people think that we make only steel, we make only cement. But if you look at the center of the screen, we have a 30 megawatt data center coming up in Naya Raipur. If you look at left of your screen, you will see Polymetech making its, starting to make its semiconductor in Naya Raipur. If you look at on the right, you would see we have taken away the names of the brand, so that we don't want to be associated with trademark infringements. We have Ras Group, which makes its cosmetics in oils in Chhattisgarh. We have Manorama Group, which actually provides cocoa butter and shea butter to all the chocolate and cosmetic manufacturers in the country, in the world. We have, Drools Pet Food coming from Chhattisgarh. We have engineering parts that power all the high-end vehicles across the world. We have solar panels being manufactured. We have plastics. We have textiles. We have steel of all kind. Every time that you feel proud that your country is one of those 5 countries which has been able to send its rover to the moon, we were part of the base which actually made the launching pad possible for the launch of the Chandrayaan mission. We make the best steel for all the difficult bridges across the world. So this is where we are. From textiles to medicines to essential oils to food to steel cement, of course, to all the possible varieties of things are being made in Chhattisgarh. We wanted to showcase this to you so that you are aware a variety of things that we do. You cannot come to Hyderabad and not talk about biryani. So what does make a great biryani? Is it the rice, the spices, the ingredients, the chef? I think the perfect base. It has to be fragrant rice. Very, very important. Then heat that keeps it cooking. Jada heat ho जाएगी तो चावल जल जाएगा, बहुत कम होगी तो अनकुक्ड रह जाएगा. The power supply should be at the right price. If it is too expensive, your operating cost will go up. If it is not stable, you will find it difficult. We are one of the states, we take proud that we are able to give electricity at various rates. Of course, we start at 5, but it varies from industry to industry. We are proud to be a zero power cut state. Like I keep telling that, generator companies do not survive in Chhattisgarh. We do not face any power cuts, even in the most far off parts of Chhattisgarh. It is qualitative power. The finest ingredient. You would be surprised to know that the favorite sambar of yours, or in the other parts of Tamil Nadu, or Karnataka, or Kerala, the finest imli for the sambar of the entire South India goes from Chhattisgarh. My colleague had already mentioned about the other ingredients when the mineral ingredients are there. We are one of the leading states in agri-forest producers. One of the past CII president was telling me today that the state spends almost, through the private players, 3,000 crore in forest produce like sal, picking up from the forest areas of Chhattisgarh, which energize and which empower a lot of agro-processing industry. The grand handi, जो हांडी है वो बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. ऐसा ना हो कि गर्मी को टॉलरेट ना कर पाए, ऐसा ना हो कि हांडी से टेस्ट ना आए. बहुत लोगों को हांडी में जब चावल कुक होके बिरयानी मिलती है तो बहुत अच्छा स्वाद आता है. So we are the only state probably right now in the entire Indian country which has been able to successfully complete a 237 square kilometer smart city Naya Raipur. When I try to compare Naya Raipur, I would say Chandigarh is 114 square kilometer and Gandhinagar is 143 square kilometers. We stand at 237 square kilometers. And the various upcoming parks and the available parks, which was told to you before me, are actually in Naya Raipur, in Chhattisgarh. So we are able to provide you a place where actually you can work, you can thrive, and you can take your business forward. The master chef, Bawarchi, agar master chef is not good, I'm not sure we would be able to enjoy the biryani. So we take pride in assessing the future needs of the industries and discuss with the technical education department so that we are able to prepare future ready, skilled person power for the industries that would come. It was told that, how the cost of hiring is low. The attritions are low. People who live in Chhattisgarh, they are very affiliated to the company they work. They do not window shop between 10, 15 companies in a day because their loyalty by being close to their home is very, very high. So you are able to get skilled master chefs for your businesses in Chhattisgarh. Kitchen management. Kitchen में किसी भी तरह का किच नहीं होना चाहिए कि मतलब आप when you're applying for a business, we make you fill 200 forms. 300 हमने form भरवाए. We take pride in our single window system. We provide all the services through the single window system. We are the only state in the country which has brought Chhattisgarh Jan Vishwas Act twice. What does that mean? It means that we have decriminalized 280 minor offenses. We believe the businesses are best at doing business. We should not penalize them for minor offenses and make it criminal. So we have decriminalized almost 279 minor offenses with penalty or fines rather than criminal charges. One of the states which has gone through for simplified land diversion, which is one of the biggest problems everywhere, we provide home-based registry at a particular cost. One of the only states which has 24/7 industries operation allowed, night shifts enabled for women, so that you can focus on extra production, more production. Ultimately, what brings everything together? I think the winning recipe. सब कुछ होने के बाद रेसिपी एकदम मस्त होनी चाहिए, एक ट्रेडिशनल रेसिपी होनी चाहिए, जनरेशन से जनरेशन चलती हुई रेसिपी होनी चाहिए और समय के साथ बदलती हुई रेसिपी ताकि वो समय के साथ स्वाद को एनहांस कर सके. So we provide special packages for 9 sectors. We have actually made very custom-made recipes for various sectors, understanding the needs of those sectors. In Chhattisgarh, we believe in employment-based industries growth. If in our state, if you provide 1,000 jobs, we are committed to bringing forward a bespoke policy for you. A lot of states are not able to provide industrial benefits in SEZ. In Chhattisgarh, we provide benefits of industrial policy even in the SEZ area. And we also have something called employment booster. The more people you employ, the booster goes up into your FCI. If you invest 100 crore and if you employ 100 people, as you go up, the FCI benefits that you get, subsidy that you get, goes up. We also take care of interest subsidy up to 50%. So these are the various part of our recipe in the industrial policy 2024-30, which makes for the growth to happen easily. Ultimately, the magic dum comes together. Biryani is great when everything comes together. Chhattisgarh is one of those destinations which tries to bring subsidies, skill, land, place, everything together so that you can relish your investment, you can cherish your investment. The initial slide that I showed you about various investment from textile to pharmaceutical, from AI data center to semiconductor are result of the 24-30 industrial policy which was launched in November 2024 by the Honorable Chief Minister in Raipur. So those investments which were earlier unimaginable in Chhattisgarh are happening now. Now taking you to some minor details just to explain. So this is a calculation sheet which tells you that, if you invest in pharma sector in Chhattisgarh to the tune of 100 crore, where 70 crores you use to spend in plant and machinery, our industrial policy makes sure that you get 70 crore as the incentives for your investment. The primary one being the fixed capital, investment subsidy, where you can see that, 35% of FCI goes to you because of the employment booster also. So this is the pharma sector. If you invest in electronics around 250 crores, 166 crore goes back as incentives, primarily again being the fixed capital investment subsidy, interest subsidy. These are the subsidy we try to provide to improve your investment potential and chances and making it a winning combination. If you invest in defense sector to the tune of 400 crore, with 340 crore being your plant and machinery investment, the total incentives comes to around 251 crore, which is 63% of your fixed capital investment. In defense, again, primarily it is fixed capital investment and interest subsidy, also electricity duty exemptions. If you invest in IT sector to the tune of 100 crore, 94 crore goes back. Primary reason being IT sector, ITS sector employ a lot of people. So as I told you before, you get the benefit of employment subsidy. Along with that, 20% salary of your employees is taken care by the state of Chhattisgarh for the period, for a certain period. So that is why we understand that when you hire employees, the initial cost of training them is very high. So we share the cost of retaining, training the employees in your organization. So if you invest 100 crores in IT sector, the subsidies accrue up to the point of 94 crores. In GCC, if you invest in Global Capability Center to the tune of 100 crores, the subsidies go up to 137%. This is a sector which we want to attract in Chhattisgarh. We are very, very sure, looking at the location, looking at the manpower, looking at the field like environment, mining, and other metallurgy, we very strongly believe that GCC in these sectors can very powerfully perform in Chhattisgarh. And in Naya Raipur, we have almost 90 acres of IT sector where you can actually come up, set up your organization, and start a GCC center or ITS center. Finally, if you set up a data center in Chhattisgarh to the tune of 500 crores, we have 63% FCI. We very well understand that data centers thrive on power, and we are the power center of the country. So we are very, very sure today, during the day, you would see that how we are attracting Hypernext to Chhattisgarh. We have RackBank setting up its own data center in Chhattisgarh. We have Control S, we have Nextra. They are setting up their edge data centers. I would also invite you for all of this. We have tried to make sure that when we think of pharma sector, we ensure that we specialize on clinical trial. We give 50% subsidy on your clinical trials. So we have tried to make a recipe from sector to sector that every sector we understand the need of that particular sector and design our subsidy plan accordingly. Finally, can I actually have that video before I make my concluding remarks?
कभी लगता है कि अपन ही भगवान है।
Harmanpreet Kaur goes big, gets the first six.
We've had the pleasure of seeing performances of this year's best original songs. Are you guys ready? Ooh! RRR!
The point being very simple. I mean, life is a little bit tough in metros, and actual growth stories is happening in tier 2 and tier 3 cities of this country in all the possible fields. Welcome to Chhattisgarh. Thank you very much.
Sir. Thank you so much, sir. That was a perfect balance of business and biryani mentioned. And then on a very lighter note, nothing else could tempt a Hyderabadi more than biryani and such a business opportunity. Looking forward for many more collaborations coming ahead. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to address the gathering, may I request Shri M. Gautam Reddy, sir, Chairman CII Telangana, to please come forward.
Respected Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Sri Vishnudev Sai Garu, respected Honorable Minister of Commerce and Industries, Sri Lakanlal Dewanganji, Namaskar, dignitaries on the dais, member industries from Telangana, Chhattisgarh and other places, other participants, press. First of all, I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to our guests from Chhattisgarh who have come all the way here to present to us the opportunities that are available in Chhattisgarh. So warm welcome to all of you, sir. We are happy to host you here in Hyderabad. CII always plays a pivotal role in interactions and creating these investor summits. And today, we are happy to partner with the CII Chhattisgarh to host this event for Government of Chhattisgarh to attract investments into Chhattisgarh from Telangana. As chairman of CII Telangana, I believe that there are strong economic opportunities that can work together between the industries here and the opportunities that are presented in Chhattisgarh. Telangana's entrepreneurial strength, coupled with Chhattisgarh's natural benefits, creates a wonderful opportunity for entrepreneurs from here to go and explore opportunities. Particularly, I encourage industries in the sectors of engineering, food processing, mineral processing, IT, healthcare, education, and aerospace to explore these opportunities in Chhattisgarh. And I'm sure with the wonderful proactive initiatives of Government of Chhattisgarh, where they have specifically indicated about ease of doing business and commitment of the state government to support industry, I think it will be a wonderful opportunity. We have heard the secretaries speak about the state's advantages and the state's ease of doing business, which presents a wonderful opportunity. And I was very happy to see the mathematical calculations of benefits versus investment, which was a wonderful way to put it forward so that it serves as a direct calculation and example. And what better than to see Honorable CM himself come and request people to come along with the Honorable Minister for Industries and Commerce. Therefore, I strongly encourage all our industries to interact, engage, and explore opportunities in Chhattisgarh. And I thank the government of Chhattisgarh and CII Chhattisgarh for collaborating with us. And we are happy to host along with CII Chhattisgarh this event. And thank you all very much.
Thank you so much, sir. We are really delighted with the extended support by CII Telangana. Looking forward for many more collaboration as mentioned earlier. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I request Shri Bajrang Goyal, sir, Director, Chairman, CII Chhattisgarh, to kindly address the gathering.
Shri Vishnudev Sai ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Shri Lakanlal Dewangan ji, Honorable Rajat Kumar, IAS Secretary, Department of Commerce and Industry, Government of Chhattisgarh, Mr. Prabhat Malik, IAS Director, Directorate, Government of Chhattisgarh, Mr. Vishesh Kumar, IFS, MD, CSIDC, Mr. Gautam Reddy, Chairman, CII Telangana, Mr. Anand Singhania, Vice Chairman, CII Chhattisgarh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to address you today at this Chhattisgarh Investor Connect, jointly organized by Government of Chhattisgarh and CII. I extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests from Chhattisgarh and to all the business leaders and entrepreneurs here in Hyderabad. The partnership between Government of Chhattisgarh and CII is a reflection of a shared commitment to making Chhattisgarh a preferred investment destination. The Chhattisgarh government has a track record of working closely with the investors. For the first time investors in the state, the hands-on support reduces uncertainty of setting up a new market. In my personal experience of running and growing my business in Chhattisgarh for the past 27 years under the brand name of Goel TMT, over this period, we have expanded into multiple sectors: media, food processing, education, ethanol, solar, and many more. That journey has given me clear first-hand understanding of how the state has grown and what it genuinely offers to the investors. The government has been consistently supportive, resources are available, and the ecosystem for the entrepreneur is strong. I can say with confidence that our decision to invest in Chhattisgarh has been the right one, and the state provides a solid foundation and sustainability for long-term business success. As the chairman of CII Chhattisgarh, I warmly invite you all to explore what Chhattisgarh has to offer. The opportunities are real, the support is in place, and the timing is right. In the end, I thank the government of Chhattisgarh and CII for bringing us all here together. The entrepreneurs and business leaders in this room has the vision and capability of building something significant in Chhattisgarh. I hope you all seize this opportunity and become a part of state's growth story. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you a productive discussion and a successful partnership ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Well, now moving ahead, as a basic human tendency, we always learn from the experiences. It could be our own or from our fellow industry leaders. So here to share the experiences by Chhattisgarh industrialists, I would first like to welcome on stage Shri Anand Singhania ji, Managing Director, Avinash Group, to kindly join us on the stage and share his experience with our Chhattisgarh government. Can we have a round of applause?
Morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Vishnudev Sai ji, Honorable Minister Lakhanlal Devangan ji, Chairman CSIDC Chhattisgarh Rajiv Agrawal ji, senior bureaucrats, distinguished investors, industry leaders, and dear ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to be here today, not only as a Vice Chairman of CII, but also as an industry stakeholder associated with real estate by the name of Avinash Group there in Chhattisgarh. For almost 3 decades, we are there in Chhattisgarh, and I can take the liberty to say that Avinash Group and the government of Chhattisgarh have grown together over the past 26 years. We started around 2000 and Chhattisgarh was also formed around 2000. So I think that was an opportunity for us to see this growth, so whatever we have achieved. Chhattisgarh government budget has grown from just 8,000 crore in year 2000 to about today 1,40,000 crores, reflecting the state's remarkable growth. Avinash Group also has delivered 60 plus projects, served 17,000 customers, and developed over 2.5 crore of developable square foot spaces there in Raipur. It was only possible because we were rightly present, I would say, in this land of opportunity, Chhattisgarh. Initially, our focus was on Raipur, the capital city of Chhattisgarh. But as Chhattisgarh grew, road infrastructure developed, other cities also emerged rapidly. We also decided, naturally, to initiate our development works in other cities like Bhilai, Bilaspur, Jagdalpur, and Naya Raipur. Naya Raipur today has become a major growth engine and a future-ready destination. As our Principal Secretary Commerce and Industry, Mr. Rajat Kumar, very rightly compared, very beautifully compared Hyderabad's biryani with the growth possibility and the recipe of growth in Chhattisgarh, I would say the same has happened with Naya Raipur. Naya Raipur has given good opportunity to all of us there in Chhattisgarh, not only in Raipur, but also growth potential in other parts of Chhattisgarh. It is attracting AI data centers, semiconductor ecosystem, IT and technology park, logistic parks, and creating new opportunities, future-ready projects. Friends, Raipur today is known as City of Malls. People think Raipur as a very tier 2-3 city, as Sir rightly said, but I would say it is the city, one of the few cities, tier 2 cities, which is known as City of Malls, all successful malls. A city where 7 to 8 high-end 5-star hotels are coming up. Groups like ITC, JW Marriott, Taj Vivanta, Lemon Tree, other wellness centers, and significant brands. People think a tier 2, tier 3 town is a town where quality of life and maybe the brand's presence are not strong. But that is very unlike, and you can see highest sale of premium cars in tier 2, 3 town like Raipur. When you are in Raipur city, the roads are complemented with beautiful cars and wonderful infrastructure. National brands in real estate also have entered recently there in Raipur. That is also a significant indication that Raipur is ready. Brands like Godrej and Dela Properties are soon there, starting their work there in Raipur. What makes all this development possible? How we all are so much encouraged to do so many things. Why a tier 2, 3 town like Raipur, jo Chhattisgarh जब बना तो बाकी 2 states भी बने, Jharkhand and Uttarakhand, you all know that. But why only Raipur has developed? Friends, we always see whenever there is a growth in industry, growth in commerce, or growth in business trade, there is likelihood of labor issues, union formation, strikes. But I very proudly say it's minimal here. And that is one of the basic factor that a lot of people from Kolkata, Bihar, Odisha, and rest part of the India, they are coming to Raipur, and Raipur is behaving as, जैसे हम सुनते थे कि बॉम्बे कोई जाता है तो कभी लौट के वापस नहीं आता है. अगर बॉम्बे कोई डिसाइड करता है कि वहां जाके कुछ काम करे तो he does a very significant good job there in Bombay. I can very proudly say our Raipur is like a Bombay of central India, and they have seen a lot of growth from all over India, people coming here and getting stabilized and stable here because of this minimal nuisance of labor, unions, etc. This positive environment motivated our group. We were just a real estate group, highly focused on real estate for past 26 years. So after 26 years of real estate journey, this environment encouraged us to enter into the core sector of steel industry. As you all know, Raipur and Chhattisgarh is known for steel, and the leading manufacturers of steel are here in Raipur. So we recently started production of our integrated steel plant. And this journey of getting approvals and then execution of this steel industry, we thought it would be a very tough task. It has to be a tough task for a real estate developer who doesn't have an iota of learning and idea about the steel. But friends of steel industry there in Raipur, they were supportive. Government was supportive. We got approvals, all the approvals within 1 year of formation of this 600 crore, 700 TPD production steel integrated plant in just 1 year, including environment clearance, including consent to establish. And not only that, after the approvals, when we started the execution, we were pleasantly surprised that every 2 months we used to get a call from our industry department that what is the growth, what is the progress. You have committed to invest this 600 crores. What is going on? Do you need any support, or is it in the right direction? So that always helped us to start the production within 18 years of commencement of our construction. Chhattisgarh government initiatives promoting environment-friendly industries are highly encouraging. And after this steel industry and the support we got, we were naturally inclined towards another initiative which is environmental friendly and which is also in the national agenda of our respected Prime Minister, Mr. Modi. Chhattisgarh solar policy is among the most attractive in India, I would say. The open access policy framework is highly supportive. Power banking facilities available, which is unique in India. Like generally, when real-time power is generated, it is used, and the extra power which is generated, it gets wasted. But the net metering system in Chhattisgarh allows to bank this power, and the government at the end of the year, they calculate what is the power used by us, what is the surplus power, and all the surplus power is duly paid by the government to the investor of the solar plant. This encouraged us, this policy encouraged us, and we installed a 17 megawatt power plant there in Chhattisgarh within 1 year. And surprisingly, we realized that most of the solar plant gets free or get their payback in 7 to 8 years in other parts of India. We were fortunate enough to get this payback within 2.5 years to 3 years of the payback of the solar system. Yeah, we were fortunate enough to use this power in our captive, in the captive form in our malls there in Raipur. And that was a great investment again. Now encouraged by this solar thing, we are considering entering into hydropower. Again, I would say hydropower policy of Chhattisgarh is unique policy because the PPA of hydropower in our state is for 40 years, which is generally 25 to 30 years in other parts of India. This is highly encouraging, and I would say this has helped our group to enter into various industries in the past 4-5 years particularly. It's important to mention the efforts towards elimination of Naxalism in Bastar by our Honorable Chief Minister in the past 2 years. After his taking the oath of as a Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, we saw remarkable change and improvement in the efforts in Chhattisgarh's Bastar region, which was known for Naxalism. Not only Bastar was known for Naxalism, Chhattisgarh की भी branding एक Naxalite state की होती थी. And this efforts of Honorable Chief Minister and our Central Minister Shahaji, we got Bastar as a free region for development growth. I see immense growth potential in the coming years in this part of Chhattisgarh, which is very rich in agro-forest and which is very rich in mining resources, natural resources. Friends, as I said, our growth and diversification to other industry is only because of willingness of our state government to engage with investor and find solutions. My humble request to all of you, to all the distinguished investors today present in this hall is very simple. Please come to Chhattisgarh. Please experience Chhattisgarh. Please visit, please explore. As they say, seeing is believing. Just come, just see, and I am sure you'll be ready to invest in Chhattisgarh. Why I say so? Because not only the government is good, the natural resources are good, the atmosphere is conducive, people here are also very good. We very fondly say, we all of us very fondly say, and हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर तो अक्सर अपनी स्पीच में ये बात कहते हैं जब भी वो छत्तीसगढ़ से बाहर जाते हैं, छत्तीसगढ़िया सबसे बढ़िया. यहाँ के लोग इतने सिंपल हैं, इतने हेल्पफुल हैं कि आपको ऐसा लगेगा नहीं कि in spite of having so many steel industries, well, we never felt as a competitor, as a new entrant who can be deterrent to the growth of other steel industries, other manufacturers who were working there for 25-30 years. So यहाँ के लोग इतने अच्छे हैं कि आप जब आएंगे तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि it's a comfortable place to work in. We are not new to this state. We are a global citizen and we are a global person here. Minimal nuisance is there, supporting environment is there. As someone who has invested and grown here, I was born and brought up in Raipur. My father was here. We are here from past 80 years in Chhattisgarh. So one day, we also came here as an outsider. We came from Odisha and initially from Rajasthan. But as someone who has invested and grown here, I can assure you that your investment will find not only opportunities, but also a dependable ecosystem for long-term success. Dependability, friends, we all know, today is a very rare phenomenon. Everybody's opportunity is getting opportunities day by day. So we Chhattisgarhis assure that dependability in our state. I invite you all once again to visit and explore Chhattisgarh and become part of the state's new phase of growth. We look forward to welcoming you, many of you, to Chhattisgarh soon. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Chhattisgarh.
Thank you so much, sir. And yes, once again, now we would always need a double assurance. And what so if we have only one person sharing his experience? We have another industrialist who would like to talk about their experiences with the state of Chhattisgarh. But on a very lighter note or a very serious note, we would request you to kindly stick to the time as we are here for a given time. So I would like to request our MD and CEO, Square Business Service Private Limited, Shri Ravi Garu on stage. Please put your hands together as we welcome him.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నేను హైదరాబాద్ అబ్బాయినే. గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఎవ్రీవన్. సార్ గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ సార్. నేను ఫస్ట్ తెలుగులో ఎందుకు స్టార్ట్ చేశానంటే నేను మీ వాడిని మీలో వాడిని అని చెప్పడం కోసం స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. मैं यहाँ से आपके बीच में से अभी छत्तीसगढ़ में मैं ऑपरेट कर रहा हूँ. मेरा एक बीपीओ कंपनी है और वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस अबाउट अ कपल ऑफ इयर्स बैक. February में I was given the welcome letter by माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी at his place and वहाँ से लेके 6 महीने में मुझे ऑफिस का स्पेस दे दिया गया था. तो ये 6 महीने में इन लोगों ने क्या किया छत्तीसगढ़ गवर्नमेंट में मेरे लिए, एक बार वीडियो प्ले कर दो ना प्लीज. ये मुझे 6 महीने में ये ऑफिस जगह मिला है. आई थिंक दिस इज द मोस्ट फास्टेस्ट स्विफ्टली एक्टिंग गवर्नमेंट विच आई हैव सीन, बिकॉज मैंने 4-5 स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन छत्तीसगढ़ ऐसा हो गया है कि हर महीना 1-2 हफ्ते वहीं पे रह रहा हूँ अपना आनंद भाई के प्रॉपर्टीज में. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वुड वांट टू टेल यू, लाइक ही वाज मेंशनिंग अबाउट द malls. Randomly on one day I was walking in the mall and then suddenly I saw someone talking in Telugu. I was like, oh wow, okay. Then I started interacting with them. Then I understood Adha Durg, Adha Bilai is filled with Telugu people only. So that means we are already there, nothing new for us. ये छत्तीसगढ़ हमारे लिए नया नहीं है. पूरा स्टील प्लांट्स, पूरे लोग आधे से ज्यादा
या आधे से थोड़ा कम लोग तेलुगु वाले ही हैं, तो मैं भी उनमें से अभी एक हूं। तो और एक बात, हाँ समय की पाबंदी है मैडम, दैट स्टिल इन माय माइंड, डोंट वरी, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग मच ऑफ योर टाइम। The only state where you can reach out to the secretaries of the government just in WhatsApp. That's the best thing here. All you need to do is just send them a message. Sir, मुझे आपसे मिलना है. And then immediately they call me up, आ जाओ. And then whenever I request for any help or anything, it was just done to me within days. Trust me, this is one of the best thing which I have. यहाँ पे बहुत बड़े लोग हैं, मुझे बुरा मत मानिए। जब भी मैं बचपन में था यार, गवर्नमेंट में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, दैट्स ऑल वी ऑल थिंक, राइट? यस और नो? बट छत्तीसगढ़ में वैसा नहीं है। इट इज वेरी फास्ट, वेरी क्विक, 6 months यू सॉ द रिजल्ट। एंड मैंने जब यहाँ पे छत्तीसगढ़ की बिरयानी खाने की जब मैंने सोचा था सर, आई थॉट हाँ ढीला डाला होगा, बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम हैदराबाद, लैंड ऑफ बिरयानीज। But then once I tasted the biryani of Chhattisgarh, that is like superb. The reason is मैंने उसके बाद, thank you, ये तालियां मुझे जाने के लिए तो नहीं है ना, और 1 मिनट लूंगा बस। So यहाँ पे when I started working with them and then when I see the kind of responses which the government, especially the bureaucrats, सुबोध सर हैं, रजत सर हैं, अपने CM सर हैं, सब लोग जिस तरीके से मुझे हेल्प कर रहे थे, मैंने पहले सोचा था कि यार 20% of my business is what I would put it in Chhattisgarh. But trust me, in this forum, I am telling you that only 20% I would want to put it in Hyderabad. The rest, everything I am going to move to Chhattisgarh. And thank you very much for giving Square an opportunity, CM sir. Thank you very much. And bas, Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ravi Garu. Thank you so much. Yes, on time. Thank you so much for that. And जैसे कि हमारे दोनों इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट ने कहा कि यहाँ समय सिर्फ आपके डिसीजन का है। डिसीजन आपने जैसे ही ले लिया, एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग डन in a wink of time. So that's how we are ready to welcome you all to the state of Chhattisgarh. And moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, it would be a special address by our Honorable Industry Minister, Government of Chhattisgarh, Shri Lakhanlal Devangan sir. Please put your hands together as we welcome sir and request him to address.
आज हमारे हैदराबाद की इस पावन धरा पर इन्वेस्टर कनेक्ट में छत्तीसगढ़ प्रदेश के बहुत ही लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री माननीय विष्णुदेव साय जी हम सबके बीच उपस्थित हैं। साथ ही हमारे CIDC के चेयरमैन सम्मानीय राजू अग्रवाल जी, हमारे प्रमुख सचिव सम्मानीय सुबोध सिंह जी, हमारे निवेश आयुक्त सम्मानीय रितु सेन जी, हमारे उद्योग के सचिव सम्मानीय रजत कुमार जी, साथ ही हमारे सम्मानीय माननीय मुख्यमंत्री के सचिव राहुल भगत जी, हमारे प्रबंध संचालक सम्मानीय विश्वेश कुमार जी, हमारे संचालक उद्योग सम्मानीय प्रभात मलिक जी, हमारे CII के तेलंगाना के चेयरमैन सम्मानीय गौतम रेड्डी जी, हमारे CII के चेयरमैन छत्तीसगढ़ से सम्मानीय बजरंग अग्रवाल जी, साथ ही और भी हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ से उद्योग अधिकारी कर्मचारीगण और आज के इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे तेलंगाना प्रदेश के सभी सम्मानी अलग अलग सेक्टर से आए हुए सभी सम्मानी जन, निश्चित तौर पर अभी आप सबको छत्तीसगढ़ के विशेषता के बारे में, छत्तीसगढ़ के औद्योगिक नीति के बारे में हमारे मैडम रितु सेन जी ने भी प्रकाश डाला। साथ ही साथ पूरा विशेष रूप से हमारे उद्योग के सचिव रजत कुमार जी ने बड़े विस्तार के साथ में आप सबके बीच में छत्तीसगढ़ के बारे में जानकारी दी और छत्तीसगढ़ के हमारे जो उद्योग वहां पर संचालित कर रहे हैं, छत्तीसगढ़ के माहौल के बारे में भी आप लोगों को बताने का प्रयास हुआ। निश्चित तौर पर हमारे देश के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के प्रेरणा से और हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ के यशस्वी मुख्यमंत्री जी के मार्गदर्शन पर, उनके नेतृत्व पर छत्तीसगढ़ आज हर क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ रहा है। चाहे निवेश के क्षेत्र में हो, विकास के क्षेत्र में हो, गरीब कल्याण योजना के क्षेत्र में हो, हर क्षेत्र में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में छत्तीसगढ़ आगे बढ़ रहा है। निश्चित तौर पर छत्तीसगढ़ एक सीधा साधा प्रदेश है, खनिज संपदा से भरा हुआ पर प्रदेश है। कोयला, बिजली, पावर कट बिजली, ये सारी छत्तीसगढ़ में उपलब्धता के साथ में मिलता है। और निश्चित तौर पर छत्तीसगढ़, आप लोग आइए, छत्तीसगढ़ के माहौल देखिए। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में अलग अलग प्रदेशों में हम लोग ने इन्वेस्टर्स कनेक्ट किया है और हमारे अभी मुश्किल से 18-19 महीना ही नया हमारा औद्योगिक नीति को हुआ है। अभी इसका छत्तीसगढ़ में मिल गए हैं। और जैसे अभी हमारे भाई साहब बता रहे थे कि छत्तीसगढ़ में मैंने कम अवधि में कैसे इतना बड़े स्ट्रक्चर खड़े कर लिया। आपको छत्तीसगढ़ में आप आएंगे, आपको मुख्यमंत्री जी का भी सहयोग मिलेगा और हमारे अधिकारी के पीछे आपको नहीं दौड़ना पड़ेगा, हमारे अधिकारी आपके पीछे दौड़ेंगे। इस तरह से छत्तीसगढ़ में कुशल काम होने का प्रयास होता है। छत्तीसगढ़ में एक अच्छा माहौल है। छत्तीसगढ़ हर क्षेत्र में बहुत ही सुंदर आपको लगेगा। छत्तीसगढ़ के लोग, ऐसा नहीं लगता कि कोई बाहर के लोग आए उनसे हम लोग कैसे व्यवहार करेंगे। आपको लगेगा कि मैं भी छत्तीसगढ़ का ही निवासी हूँ। इस टाइप का छत्तीसगढ़ के लोगों का व्यवहार है। आप लोग का तेलंगाना में जिस तरह से अच्छा माहौल है, उसी तरह से छत्तीसगढ़ का भी वातानुकूलित बहुत ही सुंदर है। हमारे रितु सेन मैडम ने बताया आपको, आप तेलंगाना से जाएंगे तो छत्तीसगढ़ आपको हवाई यात्रा में मात्र 1 घंटा का सफर है। इस तरह से बहुत ही सुविधाजनक हर क्षेत्र में छत्तीसगढ़ एक अच्छा है। आप लोग से मेरा आग्रह है, निवेदन है, आप लोग छत्तीसगढ़ में आइए, निवेश कीजिए। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी स्वयं आपके बीच चलकर आए हैं, आप लोग को आमंत्रित करने के लिए आए हैं और बड़े विस्तार के साथ में छत्तीसगढ़ के बारे में आप सबको जानकारी दे दिया गया। मैं आप सबका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हुए, स्वागत करते हुए मैं अपने वाणी को विराम देता हूं। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय छत्तीसगढ़।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं और जिनकी वजह से आज का ये शुभ दिन हमारे बीच में आया है, उन्हीं को हम आमंत्रित करते हैं। आई वुड नाउ रिक्वेस्ट फॉर कीनोट एड्रेस आवर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर फॉर द स्टेट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, श्री विष्णु देव साई सर, टू काइंडली एड्रेस अस। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए प्लीज।
हैदराबाद की पावन भूमि में आयोजित छत्तीसगढ़ इन्वेस्टर कनेक्ट में मंच में विराजमान हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ प्रदेश के वाणिज्य एवं उद्योग मंत्री, जिनका उद्बोधन अभी हम सभी लोगों ने सुना, आदरणीय श्री लखनलाल देवांगन जी, हमारे प्रदेश के CSIDC के चेयरमैन श्री राजीव अग्रवाल जी, CII तेलंगाना के अध्यक्ष सम्मान्य श्री M गौतम रेड्डी जी, CII छत्तीसगढ़ के चेयरमैन आदरणीय श्री बजरंग गोयल जी, हमारे प्रदेश के प्रमुख सचिव श्री सुबोध कुमार सिंह जी, इन्वेस्टमेंट कमिश्नर श्रीमती रितु सेन जी, हमारे वाणिज्य उद्योग विभाग के सचिव श्री रजत कुमार जी, सभी यहाँ पर छत्तीसगढ़ के आमंत्रण में पधारे CII के पदाधिकारीगण, उद्योगपतिगण और हमारे वाणिज्य उद्योग विभाग के छत्तीसगढ़ से आए सभी अधिकारीगण और मीडिया के बंधुगण, मैं सबसे पहले आप सभी लोगों का छत्तीसगढ़ के मुख्यमंत्री के नाते हृदय से अभिनंदन करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं। और छत्तीसगढ़ के आमंत्रण पर आप सब लोग यहां पर पधारे हैं। हमारे CII के पदाधिकारीगण, हमारे उद्योगपति बहनों और भाइयों, आप सभी को मैं हृदय से आप लोगों का अभिनंदन करता हूं। और छत्तीसगढ़ के विषय में विस्तार से रितु सेन मैडम बताई हैं, लंबाई चौड़ाई तक भी बता दी है, एक एक चीज विस्तार से बताई हैं। और उद्योग नीति के विषय में भी हमारे रजत कुमार जी बताए हैं, जैसा कि हमारे मंत्री जी ने कहा है। और वास्तव में छत्तीसगढ़ देश के हृदय स्थल में बसा है, बीचों बीच बसा है और बहुत सुंदर प्रदेश है। एक जो परसेप्शन था कि छत्तीसगढ़ नक्सलवाद से ग्रसित है, पूरे देश में छत्तीसगढ़ कहने से ऐसा लोगों को लगता था, लेकिन अब वो भी बात नहीं है। आप सबको मालूम है कि डबल इंजन की सरकार के कारण आज छत्तीसगढ़ से नक्सलवाद को समाप्त करने में हम लोग कामयाब हुए हैं। अब छत्तीसगढ़ में आप कहीं भी, कितनों समय भी, रात में भी, कहीं भी आ जा सकते हैं। आज ऐसा छत्तीसगढ़ हो गया है, प्राकृतिक दृष्टिकोण से भी बहुत सुंदर छत्तीसगढ़ है। मतलब धरती का स्वर्ग भी कह सकते हैं। अनेकों वाटरफॉल्स हैं वहां पर, अबुझमाड़ जैसा लंबा चौड़ा फॉरेस्ट है। 44% भूभाग छत्तीसगढ़ का वनों से आच्छादित है, तो बहुत ही सुंदर प्रदेश है। और खनिज संपदा भी भरपूर है, लोहा, कोयला, बॉक्साइट सब कुछ छत्तीसगढ़ में है। सैकड़ों तरह के फॉरेस्ट प्रोड्यूस हैं और वहाँ के लोग भी बड़े अच्छे हैं। हमारे एक वक्ता ने कहा कि छत्तीसगढ़ के लोगों के लिए कहा जाता है छत्तीसगढ़िया सबले बढ़िया। तो वास्तव में छत्तीसगढ़ के लोग बहुत भोले भाले और बहुत अच्छे हैं। तो इस तरह से छत्तीसगढ़ है। और एक नई इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी भी हम लोगों ने बनाई है। हमारे यहाँ पर वाणिज्य उद्योग मंत्री हैं लखनलाल देवांगन जी, और हमारे विभाग के सभी अधिकारी हैं। सब लोगों ने एक अच्छी उद्योग नीति बनाई है, जिसकी सराहना सब तरफ हो रही है। देश और विदेश में भी हम लोग उद्योग नीति को लेके गए हैं, जापान, साउथ कोरिया वगैरह लेके गए हैं।
और बहुत कम समय में करीब 8 लाख करोड़ का MOU हुआ है और धरातल में काम भी चालू हो गया है। तो ऐसी स्थिति है और मैं जब बोलता हूं उद्योग के विषय में तो अभी हमारे कई उद्योगपति अपना अनुभव यहाँ पर शेयर किए कि 6 महीना में किस तरह से उनका उद्योग वहां पर खड़ा हो गया। तो मैं भी एक चीज बोलता हूं कि एक इंदौर के उद्योगपति हैं जिनकी ससुराल भिलाई में है और वो ससुराल आए और हम लोगों की नई इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी से इतने प्रभावित हुए कि उद्योग के लिए वहां पर भूमि पूजन करके वापस गए। तो ये आज हमारी उद्योग नीति में है। वहां पर कई तरह के इंसेंटिव का प्रावधान है, बी स्पोक की नीति है, सिंगल विंडो सिस्टम है और किसी भी तरह से कोई परेशानी नहीं है। हम लोगों की बड़ी अच्छी टीम है और किसी भी तरह से आप लोगों को न NOC लेने में न कुछ में कोई परेशानी नहीं है। छत्तीसगढ़ में सरप्लस बिजली है, पानी है, कभी वहां पर मजदूरों का हड़ताल नहीं होता है। लॉजिस्टिक के हिसाब से भी देखें तो आज बीच में होने के कारण सब तरफ एयर से भी आप घंटे, 1.5 घंटे, 2 घंटे में देश के किसी भी भाग में पहुंच सकते हैं। भारतमाला में आपका रायपुर से विशाखापट्टनम, रायपुर से आपका धनबाद वो जुड़ रहा है। कार्गो की सुविधा हम लोग रायपुर से दे रहे हैं। तमाम तरह की ये सुविधा है और इसलिए हम तो सारी जानकारी हमारे अधिकारियों ने दिया है। हम तो मुख्यमंत्री के नाते आप सब लोगों को आमंत्रित करने आए हैं कि आप सब लोग छत्तीसगढ़ आए। आप लोगों को किसी भी तरह से परेशानी नहीं होगी। वहां पर निवेश करें और मिलकर हम लोग छत्तीसगढ़ का भी विकास करें और माननीय हमारे देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो संकल्प है 2047 तक देश को विकसित भारत के रूप में खड़ा करने का, तो उसमें सबका योगदान बहुत आवश्यक होगा और आप लोगों का तो रोल बहुत बड़ा रहने वाला है। तो छत्तीसगढ़ को भी विकसित करने के लिए हम लोग विजन डॉक्यूमेंट बनाए हैं और उसमें उद्योग का बहुत बड़ा रोल रहने वाला है। तो आप सबसे मैं मुख्यमंत्री के नाते आग्रह करूंगा कि आप सब लोग छत्तीसगढ़ आए, पधारें, वहां पर देखें, निवेश करें। किसी भी तरह से आप लोगों को परेशानी नहीं होगी, आप लोगों को खुशी ही होगी। और मैं समझता हूं सारी जानकारी रितु मैडम और रजत बंसल जी दे दिए हैं, इसलिए और किसी तरह से मुझे उन्हें दोहराने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। आप सब लोगों के लिए छत्तीसगढ़ में रेड कारपेट बिछा हुआ है। आप सब लोगों का स्वागत है। मैं मुख्यमंत्री के नाते आप सब लोग आज इस इन्वेस्टर कनेक्ट में पधारे। आप सब लोगों का छत्तीसगढ़ के तरफ से अभिनंदन करते हुए स्वागत करते हैं और छत्तीसगढ़ के तरफ से आप सब लोगों को छत्तीसगढ़ में निवेश के लिए आमंत्रण देते हुए मैं अपनी बात समाप्त करता हूं। जय हिंद, जय छत्तीसगढ़, जय तेलंगाना।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. जी, आगे बढ़ते हैं and we would now proceed towards offering the invitation letter to our investors who have committed towards their investment. And इसी के लिए I would request our dignitaries on the stage कि वे सामने पधारें। और सबसे सर्वप्रथम आने वाले हैं from the company Hypernext Data Center Limited and ये सेक्टर है डेटा सेंटर का और इन्होंने इन्वेस्टमेंट कमिटमेंट दी है for about 4,200 crores generating the employment of 250 employees and requesting Shri Harsh Makwan ji CEO and Shri Vinish Kumar ji to join us on the stage and accept the invitation letter. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। Then requesting our next company, Fee Grade and Company Private Limited. It's a cement plant sector, have committed for the investment of 2,912 crores. generating the employment of 4,000 plus employees, requesting Shri Sheikh Shikhadiyo ji, Head Corporate Affairs, to join us on the stage. तालियों की गूंज थोड़ी जोर से होनी चाहिए, please. अब आमंत्रित करते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट इन्वेस्टर का, जो है निवाई लैब्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, and they are into the sector of AI computing and GPU infrastructure, investing of 1,000 crores and generating the employment of 200. And I would request Sri Ravi Teja ji, Head Finance and Strategy, to kindly join us on the stage. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. अब आगे बढ़ते हुए हमारे नेक्स्ट कंपनी है SG Mart Limited. They are into the sectors of solar profile and structure components, investing 700 crores and generating the employ of more than 2,500. Shri Jai Kumar Krishna Swami ji, I would request you on stage, sir. Shri Rajiv Kothari ji, I'm sorry. Congratulations and welcome to the state of Chhattisgarh, sir. And next company would be Shri Sharvana Mills Private Limited. Textile unit में है और ये invest कर रहे हैं 528 crores with generating 2,500 employees. And requesting Shri Jaikumar Krishnasamy ji on stage. Thank you so much, sir. Cabra Drugs Limited, pharmaceutical unit, investing 200 crores with generation of 250 plus employees. Shri K.N. Anandji, Executive Director and CEO, is requested to join us on the stage. And then we have Dinshaw Dairy Foods Private Limited, food processing, dairy manufacturer facilities. We would request Shri Khushru ji, the Vice President, and Dr. Ajay Upadhyay ji, Vice President, to kindly join us on the stage. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries. We would request you to kindly take your seat. And thank you so much to the all investors who have joined us on the stage. And now, moving ahead. We would now request for the vote of thanks, Shri Vishwesh Kumar ji, IFS, Managing Director, CSIDC, Government of Chhattisgarh, to join us.
Thank you. Namaskaram, Hyderabad. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks for such an august gathering. First of all, I'd like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Sri Vishnudev Sai ji, for his dynamic leadership, invaluable guidance, and valuable presence. Today, in spite of his busy schedule, he always strengthened our opportunity in multiplier. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to thank our Honorable Minister, Commerce and Industry, Sri Lakhanlal Dewangan ji, and our Honorable Chairman, Chhattisgarh State Industrial Development Corporation, Sri Rajiv Agrawal ji, for their regular monitoring, invaluable guidance and suggestions, and great belief to motivate us to do better and better. Thank you so much, sir. I'm really grateful to Chairman CII Telangana Chapter, M. Gautam Reddy Garu, and CII Chhattisgarh Chapter, Sri Bajrang Goyal ji, for their great coordination and support to make this connect a great success. Thank you so much. I also thank our PS to CM, Sri Subhos Singh ji, Investment Commissioner, Srimati Ritu Sen ji, our Secretary Industry, Sri Rajat Kumar sir, for their invaluable guidance, valuable suggestions, which make to grow possible and to make this connect success. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir. I especially thank all our esteemed industrialists present here today, all the investors and esteemed guests. not only for their great presence today, but also for their patience listening to make this program a success. Thank you so much, everyone. Last but not the least, I also thank the press, media, all the officers and staff which directly or indirectly supported for this program to make this program a success. Thank you so much. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. And now I would request the dignitaries to kindly proceed for the media interaction. And that would be followed by lunch. So requesting firstly the media to kindly have your questionnaires. And before that, we would request